Can somebody please explain to me why my AC decided to go bonkers today? Today of all days, when the sun is scorching hot and you just decide to spoil. No, I don't even have too much money. Ah, God, Nigeria is stressing me because I don't deserve this. I don't.
Who be that? See? Oh, but this guy hot afternoon. Who be that? No, but this hot afternoon. Eh?
Bro, hold on. Hold on.
How about we buy?
You come by the message.
ESE.
I'm looking for a face I see. ESE guy.
Oh, okay. You don't call him?
Don't call him.
And I'm on the go. Madam! Mama, now the guy be this.
Oh, the AC repair guy.
Okay,
come upstairs.
Alright. Respect, man. Show, man. My guy. Carry on.
Thank God the repairman is here. Finally. I'm tired of this hot air. Fine boy. My AC, whenever I put it on, it doesn't get cold, so it makes everything so hot. So
What? Oh, the AC, yeah.
My bad boy.
I can fix it, that's what I'm here.
oh, you can fix it.
Sure, that's my work, that's what I'm here.
Do you want to come inside?
Inside.
To fix the AC.
Oh.
I'm not even speaking out.
Let me check the address, yes. Yes. No problem.
Come inside.
Okay,
Don't keep me waiting. Oh, come quick, eh?
Wow!
What? What are you doing on my bed? Naked on my bed?
He shot you.
What are you doing on my bed? Don't fix the AC. You touched me. Come on, repairman, naked on my bed.
God have mercy upon us.
Wait, oh. Is it because of all those things I was telling him that entered his head? Oh, Rishi in Lagos.
You dey use your bookshop to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Why you come up
You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing lunatic encyclopedia precandiculation of gigantic.
Now, wow. So person no fit one person again because they no get big money to pay for AC. Ha! Now what for Lagos so?
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Bed. Wonder sheet. Oh.